Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you how to apply for IPO in Zerodha in desktop as well as in mobile app. Now first we will go with desktop version. So here I have logged in with Zerodha Kite and I have logged in with and it is showing dashboard. So once you have navigated to the dashboard, click on the user ID of your account and click on console. If you can also directly go to console.zero.com. Now as soon as the console is loaded, go to portfolio menu and you will see IPO option. Click on this IPO option. In this you will see the IPO that are currently open and closed, and as well as you will be able to see the status of the bid that you have placed. Important note to say that Paytm Money App doesn't offer IPO currently. I see that Zerodha is offering right now, and I'm not sure about other apps. So in this IPO page, you will see the companies that are listed here. So you will see the Happiest Minds. The status is currently closed because today is the last date for Happiest Minds. Yesterday is the last date for Happiest Minds, and the Root Mobile is open today. Let me show you how to apply for Root mobile apps. Click on the bid. If the IPO window is open, you will see the bid icon, or else you will see either waiting or either closed. So I have clicked on the bid icon. So here you will see the issue open date, issue close date, the issue size, issue price here, and the minimum quantity that any retail investor have to purchase. So here by default, my default UPI ID will be mentioned here. This UPI ID should be linked to my bank account, in which I have linked my Demat account also. So in that case only you will see a verified status here, and you'll be able to pay only through that UPI. You will not be able to pay with other UPI address. So I am an individual investor, so I have selected individual investor here. So I'm selecting one market lot here. So one market lot is 40, and I have I'm selecting the cutoff price, so 350. The reason why we are selecting cutoff price is to increase the chance of success. So I'm selecting the terms and conditions, and I'm clicking the total amount you see here is 14,000. So once I click on submit, you will get a mandate request in your UPI ID application. Say if you have configured your UPI in Google Pay, you will get a mandate request saying that this 14,000 will be blocked in your account, and once you confirm that in your Google Pay, you will get the status saying that payment blocked, and you will be in the waiting list for the allotment status. There are various stages. For example, here once the offer end period is passed, you will see the allotment finalization, which is happening on 16th. So on that day you will be notified with the status whether it has succeeded or you didn't get the shares. So after this finalization date, the shares will be transferred to you in 2 days as per Root Mobile. I'm just telling you an example. This is a sample scenario we have here. Or if the shares are not allotted for you, you will get a refund on 17th itself, in 1 day itself. So this is how you apply IPO in Zerodha web application. I will show you the same in mobile app. So currently I have opened the Zerodha Kite mobile app. So in the right bottom corner you can see the username, profile. Click on that, and in the account section you see a console category, right? Inside console category, click on IPO. So you'll be navigated to the web application, mobile version of the web application of the IPO, and you will already be logged in with this with the signing off. So here you see the same page rendered in the mobile version. So you click on this, you enter your UPI details, investor type, quantity, cutoff price, and you click on submit here, and it will be navigated directly to your Kite app. Now we are in a web application inside mobile app. So as soon as you click here, submit. So the actual window period is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So, but I'm doing it in after working hours. That's why it is not allowing me to submit the IPO. Okay. So this is how you apply for an IPO. It is a very straightforward process. So once you submit here, you will get a mandate request in your Google Pay, and once you accept that, within a day your status will be changed to payment blocked. So if you have any questions in this video, in this steps, please put it in the comment section. If you really find this video as useful one, please like to my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks much. Bye.